Dinosaur. Dinosaur. Rah.
I go on too many days.
What do you think you're doing, Charlie?
I need you.
Beautiful, 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 beautiful boy.
No! No! Hey!
I'm so hungry.
Bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.